Ready to unlock the secrets of your user engagement? Let's dive into how to calculate daily active users, or DAU, right here in Tableau. First, we need a dataset containing user activity, at minimum a user ID and a date field. Our goal is to count the distinct users who logged in each day. We'll begin by creating a calculated field. Click the drop-down arrow next to the data pane. Select Create Calculated Field. Name this calculated field DAU. In the calculation editor, we'll start with the date function. For this we will select the distinct count function, which is found under the aggregate functions section. Nest inside the distinct count function the user ID dimension. The formula will count the unique user ID. Drag the date field onto the column shelf of your Tableau worksheet. Next, drag the DAU calculated field onto the row shelf. Voila! You should now see a line chart visualizing your daily active users, where the z-axis is your date field displaying each date and the y-axis shows the DAU count. You can change the chart type for more of your viewers' analytics preferences and insights. Finally, personalize your view for effective communication by adding a title to your graph and adjusting the visual formatting. This DAU calculation helps you monitor valuable trends. Knowing this will help you refine product development, tailor marketing efforts, and understand what users like and dislike. Now you have your own DAU calculation.